Start it, write it, develop it, launch it, make it happen. Every great opportunity starts with an idea, but ideas alone don't build freedom. Action does. Too many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect time to make a move, waiting for the stars to align, waiting for permission. But the truth is, success belongs to those who decide to move before they feel ready. Start the vision, write the plan, develop the skill set, launch the business, make it happen. Because no one is coming to hand you the life you want. If you want more income, more time freedom, more control over your future, you have to create it. At TruPowur, we've built a system designed for people who are ready to stop chasing paychecks and start building real residual income. This isn't about reinventing the wheel, it's about plugging into an industry everyone already needs: electricity, natural gas, energy. The beauty of it is simple. People are already paying for it every single month. The only question is, who's helping them save on it? That's where you come in. With TruPowur, you're not starting from scratch. You're stepping into a proven business model with training, support, technology, suppliers, and the opportunity to build something that compounds over time. The first move is always the hardest, but once you start, momentum takes over. One customer becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. One deal becomes a residual income stream that keeps paying month after month. The difference between dreaming and winning is execution. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit truepowercareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.